Hi everybody, my name is Frank Konteski. I'm here to walk you through our 2025 Scout 330 LXF, located here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. Step aboard. While we're up in the bow, I'll show off a few of the features. We have the Cayenne interior. All the way at the front, we have our windlass with foot pedals. It does have a washdown inside here. Next to the windlass, you have two cup holders, and they function as rod holders as well. An additional set of rod holders. What you'll notice looking back towards the helm, we do have all the black powder coating. So this is a black hull with black mercuries with the Midnight Edition. The Cayenne accents that black really nicely with that tan touch. Forward of the lounger, there's some storage where we have our teak table that will go up here in the bow, boarding ladder for the starboard side, and we also have a port side dive door. Before making our way back to the helm, we'll show off a little bit of the gear up top. We have the optional solar panels, VHF antenna, Garmin radar, razor light up in the front there, and finishing off with the Mercury GPS puck. At the helm, it really shows off that black Midnight Edition setup. A few of the options that we have on board: captain, helm, heat and AC, twin Garmin screens. Here we have our zip wake, an additional Mercury vessel view screen, our blacked out Edson helm wheel, joystick, and binnacles. Behind me is our 60/40 helm seat. One of the nicest features on a cold day like today, these are heated as well. Once making your way into the cabin, you have easy access to keys and battery switches. As you make your way in, you do have a little sink down below your head, and as you move forward, nicely lit berth that can convert into a little seating area. Making our way back to the transom, I want to show off this port side dive door. One piece door, can still open with the transom seat down. Really nice access there with our ladder right underneath. Rear of the dive door, we have sets of fender clips on board. So simply tie your fender off, put in place, and it's set there. Line holders, freshwater and raw water washdown, and the brains behind the freshwater flush for the motors. Rear of the transom, we have our rocket launchers up top, spreader light, additional JL audio speakers. Here's that black piping coming down to the rear facing seat. Under this seat is where our Seakeeper is stored. Back here on the transom, we have a starboard side entry. We have 8 more rod holders, making it 22 on board. Here's our transom seat that tucks away nicely, live well, and rear cleats. All right, finishing up here at the transom of the boat, we have twin Mercury 400s in black, matching the rest of that hull in that Midnight Edition. These puppies will push this boat to 62 miles an hour, and you have a cruise of 40 miles an hour. My name is Frank Konteski. Thank you guys for taking the time to go through this 2025 Scout 330 LXF here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. See you on the water.